Imagine dropping a text note on Instagram and instantly it lights up with colors and emoji. Colors and emoji. What happened? Instagram just supercharged its notes and it's about to explode your messaging experience. So, hey friends, you are welcome back to the channel with me, Dr. Vivian Atud. Today, we are actually breaking down Instagram's brand new notes update. Instagram has a brand new update on how you can do notes. So now with customizable background, colors, and emojis, we'll show you how it works, why you need it, and creative ways that you can actually jump into it. So let's delve into it right now. Question is, what's new? What's new on Instagram right now? So Instagram just introduced colorful backgrounds for notes and it lets you add emojis that even appear as your avatar icon. It's fresh, it's fun, and it's live for all users right now. So you add color and emoji to your DM note and boom, you've got a custom vibe at the top of your inbox. So why does this really matters? These are not just eye candy. They drive engagement. Colorful notes actually stand out. It grab attention in your busy inboxes and it makes messaging feel more personalized. So Instagram is actually tapping into FOMO, the fear of missing out and the creativity to keep you chatting and interacting even more. So if this is exciting, what's new and why this matters, let me go ahead and show you how you can right now go to Instagram and begin to experiment with this. So number one, go ahead and open your IG and you swipe to note. And number two, type in your message, then go ahead and choose background colors and pick your avatar emoji. And number three, go ahead and post it, and boom, it appears in DMs with a flair. So some notes actually may let users adopt your own style, your color emojis, without even revealing who posted it. This is crazy. So this is quite creative. And whether you are a business, you are a brand, you are an individual, it can actually help you begin to post some notes on brand, reminders, mood, happy Monday. If you are if you're an individual, you could post to your friends, maybe on your status updates, feeling playful today. You could post to your community. You could do posts about things like maybe you want to talk about a party that is happening. You can just say party tonight and maybe use some colorful confetti emojis. So these notes can actually add personality and improve connection. So I am guessing we might actually soon see gradient background. We might begin to see things like animated emoji effects or the ability to save custom note templates. So Instagram clearly is at this point experimenting with these, and the future of this could actually evolve and evolving very, very fast. So question to you is, have you tried this new Instagram colorful note yet, drop a comment below of your favorite color combo or your coolest emoji that you have used so far. And if you loved this breakdown, go ahead and like this video, share with your Instagram squad, and you go ahead and enable notifications so that when we have any further updates, you would be number one to know. Instagram notes just got measure glow up, whether you're talking about the new colors, you're talking about emojis, you're talking about personality. So all you need now is your creativity. All you need is your creativity. You want to engage me more on some of my courses, teachings, and free resources on this? Check the links in the description. Join me on some of my master classes, and let's keep learning and growing together. So I'll see you in the colorful DMs.